For sure, you will benefit in the long run when you get a metro system here and when you get electric buses in Mumbai. But you will also in Mumbai benefit from more parks and urban forests. And that's why I'm so happy to be with Bamla Foundation today to launch this campaign. There's an enormous improvement in people's lives if they get closer to parks and green areas. In the United States of America, all posters and the number of research showing that those cities going green, they attract the best people. That's where people want to live. I'm also very happy to be with you, Tiger. I don't know you very well, I have to admit. But I believe that environmentalists very often fail from one reason. The message is only speaking to the brain, not to the heart and the guts of people. And sometimes it's incredibly boring. And a number of PowerPoint presentations, which are done with the best of intentions, but don't really touch people. People like you can reach out and touch people in a completely different way. And that's why you are so valuable that you have joined this campaign. So I'd like to give you a vote of thanks for that. This comes at a time where there is huge environment progress in India. As Asif Bamla said, I worked with Prime Minister Modi 3 years back on fighting plastic pollution in India, which is horrendous, as everywhere else in the world. Prime Minister Modi promised that he would put a ban to all those plastic items which are not needed in India. I mean, can't you drink without a straw? Can't you have a meal with normal cutlery? Do you really need plastic cutlery? We all know the answer to these questions. And now Prime Minister Modi has lived up to his promise. It's a very good quality of a politician. You promise something and you keep it. And all these single-use plastic items will be prohibited in India. Bravo for Prime Minister Modi and all the other leaders who have achieved this. There's many other areas of progress. I can mention green hydrogen, where again the Prime Minister just launched a huge scheme with some of the giants of Indian business, some of the tycoons here, Mr. Ambani, Mr. Adani and others, putting huge amount of money on the table while the Prime Minister is driving it politically. And 1 week back, I was with Aditya Thakirai, so many of you know, the Minister of Environment of the great state of Maharashtra. What did he do? Launching the electric buses scheme for Mumbai. Again, great news for the people of Mumbai, but also great news for the world. Very soon Mumbai will be run by electric buses and electric buses only. Then how do we green the planet? Because that's what the part this scheme is all about. I think there are 3 things we need to do. Number 1, let's protect what is already there. Let's protect all those rainforests and forests which are already there. We cannot cut down something and then build up the same somewhere else. And here there is some very good news. Indonesia, second biggest rainforest nation in the world, now has brought deforestation to 0. Why? Good policies of the government of Indonesia, responsible business of the business of Indonesia, and citizens saying, we want this to happen, please follow us. Then we need to do tree planting at big scale. State of Telangana in India is a lead state here. They have now made 3% increase in the tree cover of Telangana. Fantastic progress and a world-class achievement. In China, President Xi Jinping has promised that China will do as much tree planting every year from now to 2030 as the size of the Kingdom of Belgium. Well, Belgium is not the biggest power in the world, but the landmass of Belgium is still significant, and if China can do that amount of tree planting every year, it's hugely significant to the world. And by the way, so many other nations are now embarking upon the same. And then we have urban forests. Well, the mass of urban forests will not be the biggest because there are small pieces of land inside cities. But the importance to people is enormous because an urban forest make an area where you can walk, where old people can sit and chat, where youngsters can go around playing. So it's an enormous improvement of the livelihood. Added, it brings biodiversity, animals, insects, all this back to the city in a very nice way. Adding to that, it's good for climate and the big issues of the planet. And adding to that, trees also keep a city cool. There's an enormous difference with a city with trees and a city without trees when it comes to keeping cool. And frankly, most Indian cities are pretty hot. Mumbai is not like Delhi, but still it's a hot city. And tree planting makes it cooler, and which is good for people. And we now see a huge movement for urban forest all over India. Day before yesterday, I was in the city of Bengaluru. There, an organization called Say Trees have made 35 urban parks just in the city of Bengaluru. A couple of days before, I was in Pune, where Terre and other civil society organizations have made some beautiful city forest. And you see this in Ahmedabad, in Chennai, in many cities. But it's very great that Bamla Foundation will put itself as a lead entity in making this happen, for sure Mumbai, but also all over India. We need more urban forest. The concept of the Miyawaki is great, but of course you always need to look into what you plant, make sure it lasts long, make sure there is biodiversity in what you plant, and normally plant indigenous species. They are the best to grow, not something imported from somewhere else. But I'm sure you are aware of all this and will do it in the right way. So let me just conclude by saying this is a great initiative. I wish you all succeed. Please, Tiger, communicate this to many Indians, and please bring them up to the actual tree planting. That's also a huge way of creating jobs, and it's also a huge way for people to mobilize the civil instinct that I want to do something for India and for the world. So, urban forest, and I'm looking back to come here in a few years' time to visit some of the urban forests you together have achieved.
Friends, we've requested Tiger to just have a question-answer session, but my very humble request is that the question answers have to be just confined for environment. इस विषय के आगे टाइगर्स को फिल्म्स के लिए आप लोगों ने बहुत बार इंटरव्यू किया होगा, आप लोगों ने बहुत बाइट्स ली होगी, लेकिन चूंकि इस बार एक अलग काम के लिए एक अलग विषय को लेके ये आए, तो कृपया करके पर्यावरण से संबंधित जो भी प्रश्न हो वो ही किया जाए, अन्यथा वो विषय हम यहाँ ले नहीं सकते क्योंकि इट्स लिटिल इट इज़ कन्फाइंड टू एनवायरनमेंट. ये जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है सिर्फ पर्यावरण से संबंधित है, तो आप जो पूछना चाहें प्रश्न टाइगर जी को पर्यावरण से संबंधित प्रश्न करें. धन्यवाद.
So I will pass on the mic, and as Mr. Bamla said, just please keep it to afforestation and धरती की बातें करते हैं, हरी भरी बातें करते हैं, and that's it, nothing apart from that. So yeah, my media friend.
सबसे पहले तो भामला फाउंडेशन को और यहाँ पर जितने भी डिग्नेटरीज हैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई, congratulations. Tiger, my question is to you. Your association with Bhamla Foundation, as Asif bhai said, your dad 15 साल पहले जुड़े थे और आप वो legacy को थोड़ा आगे लेके जा रहे हैं, तो how does it feel, taking this legacy ahead, and something about the environment, like what would you really love to work on, any particular project or something?
Very, very thankful to Asif ji for having me a small part of this campaign, and privileged to be amongst all these esteemed guests. I don't want to pat myself on the back of being the face of this initiative or anything, because I think it's a no-brainer. I think each one of us are responsible for our planet's future, and climate change is rampant. Climate change is real. It's the immediate threat. I know we're all very, caught up on Corona right now as well. We're doing a very good job fighting, being responsible citizens. But I think the bigger picture right now is the environment as well is, climate change is the need of the hour. The attention to that is the need of the hour as well. So very, very happy that you have me on board for this, and will do my best to, make a difference, a small change. I mean, it starts in our house, guys, by switching off the lights, saving water, just trying to be responsible. Each one of us have the power in our own houses to make a difference. So really, it's not about just planting one tree. I think what's amazing is the whole concept of afforestation, where we get to plant complete, full, lush forests rather than just one sapling. I think it's time to do these things in bulk, and it's not just about our country. I think it's about the whole world and our whole planet. So, thank you once again for having me on board, sir.
Thank you. Can I have the next question, please? Yeah. Please pass the mic for the picture.
Hi, Tiger.
Hi.
So it's Priyanka here. So like, I would just want to say, talking on environment, so like we can save the pollution and all, so how come cycling is a very good exercise?
Cycling is a very good exercise.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, why
so
not?
you can promote cycling also with the MMA.
I mean, sure, yeah, that makes perfect sense, yeah. Cycling, walking, especially if the distance from your house to your work or wherever you want to go to is close by, then why not? That's a good point, yeah. Nice.
Thank you very much. Can I have the next question, please?
टाइगर हाय या
जी सर.
टाइगर पर्यावरण की जो हालत देश में है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, कितनी चिंता की बात है अगर हम नहीं संभले और हमने उस तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया तो कितना वरी करती है ये चीज़ आपको, कितने कंसर्न है आप इससे कि बदलाव आना चाहिए और पर्यावरण पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान, खासकर आज के यूथ को जो इतना अवेयर नहीं है, जो अपनी ही दुनिया में रहता है, उनके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो लोग ध्यान दें?
Awareness तो काफ़ी है, you know, everybody's educated. It's all about converting that education and that into practicality and actually doing the action of, you know, going out there and making a difference. जैसे मैं कह रहा था, it starts in your house. So, you know, the smallest things you do in your house, whether it's saving your electricity, saving water, minimizing the usage of, you know, all these things, I think it's really going to benefit us in the long run.
टाइगर, जहाँ पर एनवायरनमेंट की बात हो रही है तो देश भर में 100 करोड़ लोग वैक्सीनेटेड हो गए हैं, तो आपको लगता है कि कान्हा का ये कामयाबी हासिल हुई है?
बिल्कुल सर, एंड आई थिंक इसी तरह अगर हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर भी इसको फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक यू नो पीपल आर अवेयर, पीपल आर following through with the rules and being responsible. I think why not apply the same thing for our environment?
हाय टाइगर. टाइगर, जब हम ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बनते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. हम सोसाइटी में अलग तरीके से देखे जाते हैं, जाने जाते हैं, और अक्सर हमने सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखा है ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा तो बनते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाते खुद को. तो आप कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मानते हैं कि आप इस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बढ़ जाती है इनिशिएटिव के बाद?
सर, जितना मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ उतना ही आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो. आप भी रह रहे पृथ्वी में, यू नो, वे ऑल members of this planet Earth, and I think it's our responsibility as citizens of this planet to really look after our planet in every small way we can, and the small things make a very big difference collectively. So yeah.
And yes, you will see the difference when Tiger is there. Afforestation, arbofauna in Mumbai city is a challenging job, but obviously Tiger Shroff being the face is going to be a lot of change in the temperature of Mumbai, actually, where we have these small patches which is going to be converted into urban forest, and colleges like National College, Jamnabai have been part of it already, and this campaign goes for years. It's just not one day or 1 month or a 6-month campaign. It's a whole long thing, and obviously small things like Tiger, you said, it's very, very important actually, because we have good numbers. India is the population, the number of India, and everyone doing little bit will bring a lot of change. And for that, I think Tiger is the one to take this particular thing. Now, I would... any more questions?
I always say that we've borrowed this planet from the future generations in a way, and the millennials, they are very concerned because हमारे पूर्वजों ने मुझे याद है ये जैकी जी की बात कि उन्होंने I don't know if I sent you this also कि भाई ये बिड़ू, ये पर्यावरण है, इसको हमें संभालना है, अच्छे से रखना है, टाइगर के बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए संभाल के रखना है. So that says it all. I mean, our predecessors have given us this entire environment in a very nice and a very healthy and a congenial way. Are we going to give it back? Are we in a position to give it back to them in a similar way? And let me tell you, there is a very large concern amongst the millennials because उन्हें इस पर्यावरण में इस धरती पे ज़्यादा रहना है, तो उन्हें इसकी चिंता बहुत है. और हम ये देखते हैं कि अभी जैसे अभी कल हमारा एक बीच क्लीनिंग ड्राइव हो रहा है कार्टर रोड पर. हम सिर्फ अनाउंस करते हैं और बीच क्लीनिंग के लिए अगर आप देखें तो 500 वॉलंटियर्स जमा हो जाते हैं. हमें कोई किसी को निमंत्रण न्योता देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो कहने की बात यह है कि जो अगला जो जनरेशन है ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न है. और चूँकि ये नौजवानों के लिए हमें एक ऐसा रोल मॉडल चाहिए था जो जिनको who people can look up to. So when we discussed, there was no better and no bigger face than Tiger. So we are happy that he's part of it. And I think now Tiger has to leave. So last एक question जिसको पूछना है वो करने के बाद Tiger will unveil the campaign and then he'll say a few words and leave. Please.
Okay, I think we're done with the question, and I request Mr. Asif Bamla, Seher, to please come on stage and give a small sapling to Mr. Eric Solem. Seher, to please come on stage and sapling. Yeah. And Asif bhai, it's youth against youth. I would request Seher to please present this small sapling to Tiger Shroff as well. And Asif bhai also please join the president. Yeah, just be there only, sir. I would request Seher to please present a small sapling to Mr. R. Balki ji.
Recycling saplings?
Very popular, Mr. R. Balki ji. And do the opportunity of giving a plant to Megha Tata ji. Well, a guest from Norway. Seher, do the honors for Mr. Flolo, giving him a small sapling. There it is. There, Seher. And just one request, if you just hold the sapling, and let's have a nice photo op with saplings in your hand. It would really create, for the media. And the message actually, urban forest is, this is, जैसे टाइगर ने कहा कि हम अपने घर से शुरुआत करते हैं, ये हम झाड़ अपने घर पे रखेंगे. We get some, breathe out of it, some good oxygen out of it. So this photo, sir, you also hold one. So pick up the white one, yes. Yeah. Yeah, and now I request Tiger Shroff ji to please unveil this entire campaign on afforestation and urban forest. A small placard to be unveiled. Sir. Sohail, उनको आने दो ना. Let's just, आप उसको open. Yeah. हाँ, मैं एक सेकंड मैं करता हूँ. राजू, ये टेबल नीचे कर दो ना प्लीज. शिरीष, ओके. राजू ये टेबल हटा लो, नीचे कर लो प्लीज. ये भी ले लो टेबल. दोनों हाथ से पकड़ के ना, देन वी विल अनवील द कैंपेन. आराम से, दोनों साइड से पकड़ना प्लीज. नीचे डाउन, नीचे रख लो. हाँ, उसके नीचे. दूसरा टेबल भी नीचे रख दे. I would request Mr. Eric Solem and Tiger ji to please open the knot and Asif, just open the knot. So big round of applause for, I think there is two, there's one more. So अब हर जगह झाड़ लगेगा और जब झाड़ लगेगा तो बहुत सारे झाड़ लगेंगे, सिर्फ एक झाड़ नहीं लगेगा. This is what the pledge we take today. Tiger being the campaign, the Bamla Foundation, the entire team, the patron of the Bamla Foundation will find the spot and will make sure that we give